Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up HubSpot tasks into Asana for marketing campaigns step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the Tasks section in the main menu. Identify the tasks you want to transfer to Asana for your marketing campaign. Open a new tab and log into your Asana account. Create a new project in Asana specifically for this marketing campaign. Name the project appropriately to ensure clarity. Return to HubSpot and select the first task you wish to transfer. Click on the task to view the details. Copy the task title directly from HubSpot. Switch back to your Asana project. In Asana, click on the plus Add Task button. Paste the copied task title into the new task field. In the task description area, copy any relevant details from HubSpot. Return to HubSpot and gather the deadline for the task. Input the deadline into Asana under the Due Date section. Assign the task to the appropriate team member in Asana. Repeat these steps for each task you want to transfer. Ensure all relevant details are captured, including priority and tags. Once all tasks are entered, review them within your Asana project. Organize the tasks as needed using sections or due dates. Finally, communicate with your team regarding the setup in Asana. Check back regularly to update task statuses as your campaign progresses. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.